cracked IIT JEE Advanced but has also qualified for NDA, BITS Pilani campus, COMEDK, with a remarkable rank of 1456 and has also scored 99 percentile in IIT Mains. Atiq started his journey with Knowledge Campus when he was in class 9 and scored a fabulous percentage of 98.6 in class 10. His hard work and dedication made him score a very good result in class 12 as well. So now let us welcome Atiq with us. So first of all, how do you feel that now your preparation has ended?
Well, I'm quite relieved and I'm very happy. I'm actually very excited to go to college, and I would like to thank all my teachers for their determined effort and hard work that they put in for me. I'm actually very grateful for that.
How different is BITSAT from JEE?
When you look at them superficially, it looks like the preparation and the syllabus is same, but it is actually quite the opposite. BITSAT demands more speed and accuracy than JEE does, and when it looks like the syllabus is same, but some hooks and corners need to be checked in BITSAT as well.
Okay. Any setbacks from the time of preparation?
Well, yes, when I started my preparation, I was pretty lacking in the managing of time scenario, and it was well managed by Gagan sir. He taught me how to manage my time as well as my subject, and I'm pretty grateful for that.
What was your approach and how was your preparation different from others?
My preparation became very easy because there was not much for me to think. Everything was pre-decided and planned by Gagan sir. It was like a target for me. I had to come to the institute and finish my target, and then I was excused. And for my doubt solving, unlike other teachers which give you like 15 minutes after the class, we had no time constraint, and if we had any doubt, like he would not just solve that particular question but went to the root cause of it. And then the whole case became very easy for me to understand.
That's really great. What study material did you use for your preparation?
The study material was provided to me by the institute itself, and I don't think anything else was required after that. And if you want to do any other book, there are multiple books in the market, you can do them.
How many hours a day did you study in total?
Well, there were my ups and downs, but chiefly I used to sit in the institute for 10 to 12 hours under the guidance of Gagan sir.
What about mock tests, and do you think that they're important?
Well, mock tests are the key ingredient of your preparation. When I started my preparation during my first attempt of JEE Mains, I did not attempt a lot of tests, and which actually reflected in my score as well, and which I had to make up for in the second attempt, and it went quite well for me. It increased my percentile quite a notch. And for BITSAT, I was already prepared mentally that I have to attempt a lot of mock tests. So I gave around 25 to 30 mock tests for the last examination, and it reflected well in my score.
What was the most difficult subject for you and how did you get over it?
Well, the most difficult subject was chemistry, and I believe that it still is. But it is way better now than it was before, because I used to have a lot of problem in solving the questions. It was not just the theory, because I had gone through the theory a lot of times. So I sat down with Gagan sir, and he cleared how should I change my approach towards the question, and even told me that I should write down the exact topic that I was like, if this particular question was going wrong, I should write down the topic that is going wrong. And then I used to compile, and it made things better for me.
How did you manage the stress that came with all of it, and what are the techniques that you use for it?
There was a lot of stress during the preparation, and a lot of aspirants can actually agree with that, that whenever the exam time is approaching, you feel like giving up or there is a saturation point. And at that time, Gagan sir told us, he actually motivated us to not stop, but actually put more effort into the race, because all the preparation is like a race itself. And at that point, we are very close towards the finish line. It's a time to push forward rather than lacking down.
Any advice that you want to give to the students who are currently preparing for the competition?
As for JEE and BITS, these two are different examinations. They require different mindsets and approaches, and a different orientation is required. Anyone preparing for JEE might have a confusion that is the preparation for JEE like considerable for BITSAT. It is not. You have to change your strategy for BITSAT, and pretty much it. And except that, take it light.
Thank you, Atish. We all are really glad to have you here, and we all are really